Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are keeping well and healthy. So today we will learn in page 26. Let's dress up. Here we will see the dressing up, the dresses of different places. First one is from Japan, that is Toshihiro and Suki are dressed in Japanese kimonos. These two are person names, Toshihiro and Suki. They are from Japan and they are dressed in Japanese kimonos. They are also wearing the traditional footwear Gita with split toe socks. So their traditional dress name is Japanese kimonos and the shoes they are wearing is called Gita. Next one, Mi and Lilin are wearing cheongsams, the traditional Chinese dress for women. It's a tight fitting dress with a high neck and closed collar. Aren't they looking pretty? This is very pretty dress of the Chinese woman, and it's called cheongsams. Third one, James and Jenny are wearing the national dress of Scotland. So here is a dress of Scotland. James is wearing a knee length kilt made of curtain, a woven cloth with checked bands. ये जो आपको देख रहे हैं checks, so this is called checked bands. Jenny is wearing a skirt and a shawl made of tartan. She is wearing a skirt and a shawl made of tartan. Both of them wearing shoes called gilly brogues. So these shoes are called gilly brogues. Next, Jung and Hwan are wearing the Korean. See, look at this Korean, beautiful dress of the Korean people. Are wearing the Korean dress hanbok. So this dress is called hanbok. One hanbok is made of a long skirt called chima and a jacket chogori. So her dress is made of a long skirt called chima and a jacket called chigori. Jung hanbok includes loose fitting trouser. This loose fitting trouser called paji and a shirt and a jacket. So next on page 27, here comes our Indian traditional dress called dhoti and kurta. So Leila and Jahan are dressed in Indian traditional clothes, Indian clothes. Leila is wearing a sari and Jahan is wearing a dhoti and a kurta. So this is, we are well known of this dress, traditional dress. Next is Shasha. This is Shasha, beautifully dressed. Shasha is wearing Russian sarafa. She loves this long embroidered dress. She is also wearing kokoshnik on her head. This is kokoshnik on her head. And a Russian footwear valenki, which is made of wool. So this is her footwear made of wool. It's a very beautiful dress. Last one, Hasina is wearing the traditional dress of Saudi Arabia called abaya. Hussein is wearing a thwab, a long dress till the ankle. So this is, she is Hasina and she is wearing abaya, and Husan is wearing a thwab. It's a long dress till the ankle. It's like a gown. He is also wearing a gutra and eagle on his head. This is eagle and gutra on his head, a turban like on his head. Next is page number 28, States of India. You need to do this by yourself. I will be sending you a video and a PDF of the states and capitals of India, so that you will learn and write all these by yourself. Let's see this. The Shore Temple at Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu. as it's a lockdown period, so let's roam around India through these pictures only. Here is the Bangalore Palace and Gardens, Karnataka. This is a beautiful palace and garden in Karnataka. Next, the Amer Palace, Rajasthan. So, चलो घूम के आते हैं यहीं पे बुक के थ्रू. Next is Charminar, Telangana. This is a picture of Telangana, Charminar. And Victoria Memorial, West Bengal. It's a very beautiful palace in West Bengal. See this. The 7 northeastern sisters are also known as the 7 sister states. ये जो northeast state, northeast part of India है, is known as 7 sister states. ये 7 बहनों के नाम थी. That's why it's called 7 sisters. They are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state among these. Among these 7 states, Arunachal Pradesh is the largest. Mysore in Meghalaya holds a record of being one of the wettest place on earth. Why it is called wettest place on earth? Mysore in Meghalaya is called the wettest place because it rains almost every day. हल्की हल्की बारिश हर वक्त होती रहती है यहाँ पे. Good morning dear students. Let's learn something different from the book today. This is our Indian map and let us learn the capital and its state. Here is a map and I will be teaching you from here so that you will become familiar with the direction also. First is Ladakh and its capital is Leh. Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar. Himachal Pradesh is Simla. Punjab's capital is Chandigarh. Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Rajasthan's capital is Jaipur. Gujarat's capital is Gandhinagar. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. Daman and Diyu's capital is Daman. Dadra and Nagar Haveli capital is Silvassa. Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. Goa's capital is Panaji. Telangana's Hyderabad. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram. Tamil Nadu's capital is Chennai. Puducherry is Puducherry. Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur. Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Bihar, Patna. Sikkim, Gangtok. West Bengal, Kolkata. Then coming on to northeast. Assam's capital is Dispur. Meghalaya is Shillong. Tripura's capital is Agartala. Arunachal Pradesh capital is Itanagar. Nagaland, Kohima. Manipur, Imphal and Mizoram is Aizawl.